Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to teach you how to use a fire extinguisher to put out a fire. This is your standard ABC fire extinguisher. It's what you should have in your home, in your kitchen, your garage, your shop. Uh, it goes for general combustibles, flammable liquids, and electrical fires. It's pretty easy to use. Um, you basically pull the pin, like a grenade. You have 3 seconds before this goes off. No, just kidding, just kidding. You have to squeeze the handle. So what you want to do is point the nozzle towards the base of the fire and then bring the chemical up to the fire to put it out. And it is as simple as this. And there you go, the fire is out. It's that simple. So there you have it. Get yourself an ABC fire extinguisher. Keep one in your kitchen, keep one in your garage, keep one in your shop. It is so much better to clean up a little dust by putting out a fire than to have a fire, have water damage, have smoke damage, have burn damage. This will save you. This will definitely save you. And it's not hard to use. Pull the pin, point the nozzle, squeeze the handle, and the fire will go out. That simple. Thanks for watching. This has been Andrew, the Bearded Giant. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you everyone, and peace out.